Hi, Enjoy the Lifers! In this video, we will show you ideas and recipes of meals for camping outdoors. The plant-based prepared meals that we enjoy so much when camping are veggie chili, homemade beans, veggie taquito meat, the Portobello mushroom marinade, salsa verde for the Mexican fajita night, 7-grain bread loaf, veggie potato salad, and obviously kombucha. We are going to have separate videos for all these recipes. To get ready for the trip, we make sure to pre-cook, pre-cut, and prepare as much as we can, so when we are in the camping site, we just throw together or reheat. In this video, I will give you ideas for delicious veggie breakfast, lunch, and dinner recipes, loaded of good energetic food for the hiking, kayaking, and mountain biking we plan to do.
We go to the great outdoors, Montana, here we come. Bye-bye, LA.
For now, it's time to get going. On the road again. After a long ride, we make it to Tally Lake. Beautiful sight.
Okay, it's breakfast and we're starting the morning off with some French toast, and we're using some of Margie's homemade bread.
For this recipe, you will need half cup of just egg, half cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, pinch of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, pinch of salt. Mix well. All right. We soak the bread in the mix and we have French toast, dudes. I'm gonna cover them for a little bit so they can cook. I like to use chocolate abuelita. Just heat up 4 cups of almond milk and melt 1 chocolate bar inside. That's very good. Enjoy with your favorite topping.
Eating outdoors.
After breakfast, nice cocoa and fire. Time to go take a hike. So many pathways on site. All the wildflowers make me smile.
Cooking in the rain?
We have to make pancakes with veggie breakfast patties on the fire pit. 1 cup of Aunt Jemima pancake flour. Cakes on the grill. 1 cup of almond milk. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of veggie butter.
Pancakes for breakfast out in the great outdoors. Nothing better.
Enjoy with your favorite toppings. We finished cooking and they tasted very good.
Everything there plant-based?
Delicious.
Plant-based sausage, plant-based everything, and then there's some plants.
Finally, rain has passed, so much easier to cook, and it's time to make some enfrijoladas from the homemade beans.
Enfrijoladas for breakfast this morning. So delicious. Vegan cheese, vegan sour cream, beans for homemade salsa. Amazing.
They're basically enchiladas without chile, just with beans. They are so easy to make. You just need tortillas, beans, and some filling. In this case, we use Daya cheese. And veggie sour cream and salsa verde to make them extra delicious. A lot of energy for the day.
Starting breakfast today, Molletes.
Another breakfast idea with beans is the super popular molletes. That is basically bean toast, like avocado toast, but with beans.
Today on the menu is banana pancakes, courtesy of Margarita. Let's have a look. With fresh strawberries.
And pineapple, if you want tropical.
Tropical pancakes. Another beautiful day in paradise. Oh yeah.
All these breakfast ideas will give me inspiration to go kayaking. This is one of my favorite things to do. Really, the lake was a treat. After a good exercise round to almost make it to the other side, the lake is huge. I come back and literally sleep a nap on the kayak, listening to the river. Good times. We decided to come back inside and start an epic Beyond Meat burger. I know that some of you are going to think I'm crazy, but I am one of those that like the pizza with pineapple. And guess what? I put onion and pineapple on my hamburger too.
Margie's cooking dinner tonight. Let's go see what she's making. Yeah.
Epic Beyond Burger. Toast to bread.
Is this homemade bread?
Yes, homemade multigrain bread. We need 4 slices of bread, 2 Beyond Burger patties, 2 slices of Daya cheese, veganese, mustard, ketchup, lettuce, onion, pineapple, completely optional. Yeah, we just need the condiment guy. He's gonna prepare the lettuce.
I'm preparing the lettuce.
Fry the veggie patties and then turn and add the cheese slice on top. Cover with lid. And I have to put the lid so the cheese melts. Make your epic Beyond Burger with all the condiments you like. You got it. To start the day right, Rich made his infamous Just Egg mushroom omelette. It's the most incredible thing to do when camping. Getting a totally plant-based omelette, it's a treat under the wilderness. Thank you, Richard, for my perfect breakfast. I have my coffee, my paper, and my beautiful omelette. And I'm ready to go.
Okay, today we're going to have a little Just Egg omelet made with totally vegan Just Egg. This is not an endorsement for Just Egg, but if they're interested. Okay, we're going to start with a little Just Egg. Put it in there. We add a couple tablespoons of flour. In this case we had Aunt Jemima, that's all we have, but it works out great. Mix it up super well. Make sure you try this at home, okay?
For one omelette, you'll need half a cup of Just Egg, 1 tablespoon of flour, 1/8 tablespoon of baking powder.
Little Pam, in your pan, Margarita previously had cooked me these delicious mushrooms, so I'm all ready with the mushrooms. And then we're also going to add some totally vegan Daya cheese, and so we have our little cheese and mushroom omelet. Okay, we ready? Okay, let's go.
Heat your pan in medium-low.
You want it to spread out evenly. Okay, the whole secret, no sticky. But we're going to put the lid on, and I want you to come back in a few seconds. Remember, if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you can be notified of all our new videos. Okay, make sure you add your pepper. Ooh, so delicious. And your salt. Okay, we're going to put the top on so it cooks evenly. Ooh, yeah, that's kind of how you want it. You want it, oh, yes, and it easily coming off the pan. Needs a little more cooking. Patience always with the omelet. Patience is important. Now you want to make sure you get your cheese in here. It's a little overdone, that's okay, crispy's good. And then make sure you get your mushrooms on top. Oh yeah! Margarita's omelet coming up. It's all in the wrist. It's all in the wrist.
Thank you so much, Richard, for my beautiful omelette. It's delicious.
Everything tastes better when you're out in the woods. Okay, time for some more.
Next day, we went mountain biking at the Lions Mountain, nearby Whitefish. It was an amazing experience. I swear, I was thinking I was not going to be able to make it to the trail. In the end, I did it. Everything, until the end. I feel a sense of accomplishment. To celebrate and wrap the good times, being in one of the most beautiful places in the country, Montana, Mexican Fajita night. We will need Portobello mushroom marinade and some of the Beyond Burger patties. For the Portobello mushroom marinade, we need 4 Portobello mushrooms, 1 tomato diced in slices without the seeds, 1 chile jalapeño diced in slices without the seeds, 1/4 onion diced in thin slices, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, salt and pepper. Tacos.
Mexican style. What do we have? Portobello mushroom.
Portobello mushroom, burger, some onions, little salt.
Chilies on the grill.
Delicious.
Woo! Camping food on the go.
Hope this video inspires you to go and explore the great outdoors and cook healthy and delicious food during the trip to enjoy life to the maximum. I'm Margarita, and if you haven't subscribed, you are going to miss all the recipes ideas that I have for you to try. So like and subscribe to enjoy the life blog. Let me know if you have any favorite plant-based camping recipes we should know about in the comments below. You can find some of the recipes to print in our website enjoythelifeblog.com. Thanks for watching. Rinsing, washing, trastería.